In this video, we are going camping at a state campground. The adults are keeping things keto. Let's get at it. What is up, guys? Welcome to the weekly vlog. I just got out of work. It is Saturday. We have a fun weekend planned. I can't wait to share that with you guys. I am pumped to vlog this week. I'm heading right now to Andrew's baseball game. I'm going to get that in, pick him up, get back home, get the camper all attached, and we are going camping at a campground this weekend, finally. Not just at my parents' house, but at a campground, a local campground, because I had to work today. But it's all good. It's so much fun. It's a great state park called Lake Denison, and we're bringing you guys along with us. Welcome to the vlog. Yeah, we are also, so my in-laws are staying with us in the camper tonight, and my parents are coming for dinner and all that stuff, and my in-laws have been doing keto for the past week, so they're really excited. They're bringing this flank steak with cream cheese filling and like spinach and peppers and onions, and it's all wrapped in like little pinwheels. So I'm gonna cook those on the new flat top grill that we got for Christmas that I haven't even used yet. So we're gonna do all that stuff later on. So stay tuned for that. All right, we're going to the game right now, and we're gonna get on with it, guys. All right, rock and roll.
On, Andrew. Oh, I got it. That's up. Yeah, buddy. Run it out, run it out. Right. Good job, buddy.
Baby, you're the one for me. Baby, you were meant for me. I'm madly in love with you. Baby, you're the one for me. Baby, you were. I'm madly in love with you. Baby, one for me. Baby, you were meant for me. I'm madly in love with you.
All right, you gotta go potty?
Yeah, no.
You don't? Well, I have to go. You're your headlamp?
Yeah,
Yeah, all right. Lead the way.
okay.
Go.
Hey, wait up. Wait up. Back to base camp.
Like a whole birthday.
I'm madly in love with you. Baby, you're the one for me. Baby, you were meant for me. I'm madly in love with you.
Whoa.
It's a fire stick.
What is it?
A fire stick.
Drinking coffee already?
No.
Chocolate.
Yeah.
You like camping?
Good.
Yeah. Chilling out by the fire?
Yep.
Yeah.
Get my feet warm.
Yeah, you warming your toots?
And I got hot chocolate.
Hot chocolate? That's not coffee? No.
And Grampy got it for us.
That was nice of him.
So big bug.
Bacon. Oh, yeah.
What are those?
What do you think those are?
Pepper.
You got it, man.
Baby, you were meant for me. I'm madly in love with you.
Hey, Parker.
Hey.
Cooking breakfast for you, dude. Cheesy eggs and sausage, bacon, and pancakes.
You ready? Let's climb this tree. Think we can do it?
Yeah.
Yeah. It's not that big.
Oh yeah. Oh, I got two big ones. Oh, okay. Ready, Parker?
No, I'm skipping it. I'm not throwing it far. You want?
I wrote your boogers on your beard.
Boogers on my beard?
Yeah.
Gross.
And you were sunny.
Boys, what are we in search of right now?
Ice cream truck! Yeah! Ice cream! I want to get the SpongeBob lollipop. And I want to get the
Sugar is the enemy.
Because
I wish I was still a kid. Is that it?
we got some ice cream.
You guys happy?
Yep. Yeah!
I'm in love with you. Baby, one for me. Baby, you are meant for me. I'm in love with you.
Come on.
Charlie Brown, we're doing Charlie
Time
Brown.
to take out the trash.
Time to take out the trash.
Charlie Brown. What'd you say,
Charlie
Chase?
Brown, I'm not bold.
What?
Charlie Brown is doing the Charlie Brown.
Time to take out the trash.
I'm gonna take
got
out
it, Parker?
the trash. I'm gonna take out the trash with the butts.
What?
Hey,
No
drop
potty
it,
talk.
Drop it, drop it,
But,
drop
but.
it, drop it, drop it, drop it. Wait, give me 10. Right here, give me 10. Push up. Let's go.
What? This is
1,
what?
2,
This is
3,
not right.
4, 5, 6, 7,
He's like, all right, I'll do it.
9, 10.
All right. I'll tell you guys, this grill is awesome. You gotta get one of these. I had a lot of fun cooking on this weekend. It is, or was, amazing.
Guys, look at my Hulkbuster. And guess who's in it? Iron Man.
Whoa.
And look at me.
That's pretty cool. You guys have a fun boys camp trip?
Yes,
Mama
and
had to go home sick, huh?
Mhm.
Mama had the stomach bug.
Like me and Daddy.
Yeah, well, all of us got it.
Me
And we thought she
too.
escaped, but apparently she did not escape. Okay, so you can't get any closer, dude.
And look, this is Iron Man. He's bald. I don't have any hair for him, though.
Oh my goodness. All right, we gotta pack up
He doesn't have
camp
any hair
and head
because he's
home in a little bit.
pooping.
Go take care of Mama, huh? We gonna go take care of Mama?
Yep.
Okay, let's go do that.
And we
pack
are
up.
going to poop.
Potty talk. The potty talk is ridiculous.
Got back from camp.
And we just got back from camp. We had such a fun time camping. We were kind of bummed that Sammy couldn't make it.
Hey,
She had to go home because she did get that stomach bug, but she wanted to be left alone at home and just get better. So we're home now, and stay tuned for the next vlog. We are going to the ocean. We got a full week off. We're doing 5 nights in Wells, Maine. We rented a house with our friends and their little ones. We're going to the beach, have a beach week, and we're gonna vlog along the way and share that all with you guys. All right, guys, I had to come out here and hide from the kids. They were crazy in the van.
So I hope you guys enjoyed this video with what we did for camping food to keep things keto. All the adults kept things keto. My mother-in-law made that flank steak, and it's something you can make, you know, beforehand like she did. She came, it was already wrapped up, everything was ready to go. You just gotta throw it on the grill. So prep is key for camping. A lot of the times we'll do steak tips. We'll put all of our spices on the steak tips and we'll put them in a Ziploc freezer bag, and we'll get all the air out and then actually freeze it. So then it keeps good in the cooler, and we can put it in the fridge and let it de-thaw in the camper. If you don't have a camper, then just, you know, you can just keep it out until you're ready to grill it up. So prep is key for camping, and keeping things keto on camping is super easy. Grill food, it's so great. Just obviously want to limit your carbs, get some good fats in, good proteins, you know, some veggies. It was awesome. Some of the stuff that I didn't show you, we had guacamole with pork rinds as a snack, and we had a ton of like veggies and dip, those like ranch type dip that had like good fats in it and stuff too. So those were some snacks that we had. The second night we had those chicken fajitas. That was by far my favorite meal. Did that all on the flat top. That was awesome. Topped that with cheese and sour cream, and we just skipped the wrap and we were good to go. Sammy's Graham that night had made chicken Caesar salad too, which is another keto friendly food. One tip I would say, when I did the first night, when I did the summer squash and zucchini and asparagus, that was fun. I really wanted to use my flat top, so it was great to do that. But something a little bit easier and something you can prep ahead of time is you take tinfoil packs. So put all those veggies in the tinfoil, season it all up, throw some tabs of butter in there, shrink it up really good with the tinfoil, and you can throw that right over the campfire, like on top of the grates. Let those go until they're done. That's what I'll do the next time. The griddle was great for breakfast and great for the fajitas. Fajitas you could do in foil packets as well. So I hope these tips help you guys, and make sure you subscribe. Give this video a thumbs up. Stay tuned for the next vlog. It should be awesome. We're going to the ocean. We're pumped. We're excited. We cannot wait. I'm going to keep things keto. My wife is as well. Our friends don't do keto, but they do intermittent fasting. I'm not sure what we're gonna do. We have a full week, so I'm sure there'll be some cheats along the way. I've actually been thinking about ice cream for some reason. I don't have ice cream very often, but on vacation for some reason at the ocean, I definitely want to have a bunch of seafood and keep things keto that way, but I do want to have ice cream. I'll probably end up having a cheat. Well, stay tuned for that. Consistency is the king. Always remember, rock and roll.
See you next time. Rock and roll.
Wow, 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 wow.